Hello, boys and girls. We have a Toy Story 4 playset. Woo! This Toy Story 4 playset is by Imagine Next. And this has some new characters, some old characters, and I am so excited to see what is inside. I love the sizes of these characters. This will be so much fun to play with. And something super cool is all of them have open hands, so you could put things for them to hold too, which makes it super extra fun. Let me know in the comments down below, who are you so excited to see in the Toy Story 4 movie? I am so excited to see some of these characters, but you'll have to wait to the end to find out who I'm excited to see. Now let's open up this box. Let's look at the back first and see which characters are going to be inside and what exactly they do. So first we have Bunny. That bunny is so cute. And this is a good size bunny. I can't wait to pull that one out and see what it does. Then we have Buzz Lightyear to infinity and beyond. Blast off, woo! Combat Carl, psh, 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 psh. Carl, Combat Carl. Ready to take action. Bo Peep, ready to get her sheep. We have Duke Kaboom, who is so super cool, and I can't wait to see him in the new Toy Story 4. We have Woody, who is super awesome, and Forky, who is just so cute. I can't wait to see Forky in the new Toy Story 4 movie. And Ducky, look at Ducky, how cute. I just want to squeeze the little cheeks, so cute. Okay, so let's open up our Imagine Next super fun set. I see some other special things that our set brings, so I'm super excited. Let's open up this bad boy and see what our set brings. Okay, so I opened up our set and it's still in the plastic, so I'm going to go ahead and open that, but I took it out of the box and now I'm going to take out all the characters so we can see how big they are and what exactly they do. So the first one that we have is Bunny. Oh my goodness, look at the size of this bunny. This bunny can squash. I wonder if this bunny's gonna be nice in the movie. This bunny has to be nice. He just looks so cute. Look at this bunny, the arms move. So this bunny does not have the open hands like some of the other characters, but the arms do move and he can go, I am a bunny. Come see me in my new movie. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's see what else we have. We have Mr. Buzz. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So Buzz, his arms move. Let's see, do his legs move? His legs do not move. Oh, they can move together actually, so we can sit him down. Or Mr. Bunny, I think his legs do not move. So Mr. Bunny, just his arms move, and Buzz, his legs move together and his arms move. So that is super fun because we can take him flying. Ready? Let's go flying. Super awesome, Buzz. Okay, let's see who is next. We also have some fun things that came with our set that I'll pull out in just a minute. So I'm gonna put Buzz here and make sure he doesn't fall. Bunny. Next we have, let's see if I'm gonna pull out next, we have Duke Kaboom! Duke Kaboom is super cool, and I think this might, I don't know if this cone belongs to Duke Kaboom or Bunny. You tell me in the comments, who does this special cone belong to? Or who do you think it might be for? Duke Kaboom or Bunny? So Duke Kaboom, he has open hands so he can hold stuff like this handy dandy cone to put in a safe spot to keep everyone safe. So we're gonna hold, he's gonna hold the cone. He's gonna hold our cone and carry it to the street. Ready? Everybody stay safe. Follow me. And let's put this cone down. His hands move, this hand moves, and his legs move. They can move separate, where Buzz's could only move together. And he has his super cool cape. Oh, he must be from Canada. So cool. Duke Kaboom is our Canadian friend. Okay, we have this here. Let's see who else we have in our special set. Next, we have Bo Peep. And Bo Peep has something special that came in her set. So her arms move. Her arms can move pretty far. And she has her special Bo Peep cane to get her sheep. So she has that, and I think her head, does her head move? Her head moves from side to side too, so she can look around. And her legs move too, so she can sit down. So she can rest from getting all her sheep. You rest there, Bo Peep, okay? That way you can get all your sheep. Next, we have a super cool, awesome commander. We have Combat Carl! Woo! Combat Carl has some special binoculars with his set, so his arms move. His arms can move a lot. His legs can move together, so they can move at the same time. And he has his special binoculars. And what's super cool is he can keep an eye and make sure everyone is safe. Oh, his hands can move this way. Oh, his little hands can move too. So you could spin his hands round and round. So that is pretty cool. So he can hold the binoculars just like this. And he can make sure that danger isn't coming. So let's put up his arms. And he can hold the binoculars and make sure everyone is safe. A-okay, Buzz. A-okay, Woody. We are ready for action. And then he can, when he's done, he can put the binoculars in his hands. Oh yeah. So that is Combat Carl with his super cool binoculars. Oh yeah. Okay, so next we have the adorable, super cute Ducky. Ducky's kind of like Bunny. Her hands don't move and her legs don't move. But she's just so cute. Look at these eyes. Aww. Come see me in my new movie. Coming out soon. Be there. You have to. Quack, quack. You gotta go. Okay? Okay. Quack, quack. That ducky is so cute. Okay, so next we have the famous Forky. Forky is super cool. Forky is the same as Ducky. And Bunny, well, Bunny's arms move, but he can't move, but he still is super cool with his red hands and his little Forky head and super cool feet. So Forky will be so much fun to play with. And our last character in our super special box is Woody. And I'm so excited about Woody because he comes with a lasso, which will be super awesome. So Woody's head can move side to side, just like Bo Peep and Kaboom. And his hands move. He has his vest with his special sheriff badge. His legs move. And he has his lasso here that he can put in. Let's put it in his hands. And he can say, "Yeehaw, cowboy, come and get him." Oh yeah. And that is super cool. So this is Woody, and this is our Imaginext set. Here we have all our characters. Now I'm going to tell you who I am super excited to see. I'm always excited to see Woody and Buzz because they are super awesome. But the three characters I'm most excited to see in the new Toy Story 4 movie is Bunny, Ducky, and Forky because they are so cute and they look like they're going to be so much fun. Let me know, who are you super excited to see? Let me know. I hope you guys like this Toy Story 4 video, and make sure you give it a thumbs up if you're gonna go see the new Toy Story 4 movie. I can't wait till it's out. And let me know who you are excited to see. Bye, boys and girls. See you next time.